This is Taylor with Geeked Out Reviews. I'm kind of redoing a video to show you exactly how the Diguo Siphon Coffee maker actually works. So what I'm going to do, you'll notice that there is a fill line here for 3 cups. So I'm just going to pour it up to there. Set it here, and then I'm going to turn it all the way up. Got my coffee. You can put in about as much as you want in this. Me, I've found I've kind of like about 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons. Then you just take this and set it right in here. And put the lid on. Now what this is going to do, it's going to boil the water, and as the water boils, it's going to push the water all the way up into here, and it will end up soaking the beans. The beans will get all the oil, all the flavor, everything out of it, and then you turn it to cold afterwards, and it'll shoot it back down to the bottom container, and then you'll have perhaps the best coffee you've ever had out of a coffee maker, at least at home. Alright, so now that it is complete, you can set this back into here. That is actually... and that's how it works. This is Taylor with Geeked Out Reviews.